I'm here in Barrie. I'm gonna do inspection now. There was this wall vent on the soffit, entry point for the bird. I heard the bird is inside. Check another side. This vent looks good, but I recommend it to cover this one. Because maybe in the future I will have the same problem about the bird.